Question 1. What actions should a driver take when approaching a section of the road marked with a steep road sign during icy conditions? A. Maintain the same speed to avoid disrupting traffic flow. B. Increase speed to minimize time on the steep section. C. Reduce speed and use lower gears if possible. Answer. C. Reduce speed and use lower gears if possible. In icy conditions, reducing speed and using lower gears help maintain control on steep roads, preventing skidding and accidents. Question 2. If you see a hospital sign, what adjustments should you make to your driving behavior? A. Increase speed to clear the area quickly. B. Prepare to stop or yield to emergency vehicles and watch for pedestrians. C. Honk periodically to alert pedestrians. Answer. B. Prepare to stop or yield to emergency vehicles and watch for pedestrians. Near hospitals, expect sudden appearances of emergency vehicles and pedestrians, requiring heightened caution and readiness to yield. Question 3. How should a driver react upon encountering the cross-traffic ahead sign at a busy intersection? A. Speed up to cross the intersection quickly. B. Proceed without caution as cross-traffic will stop. C. Slow down, look both ways, and proceed with caution. Answer. C. Slow down, look both ways, and proceed with caution. At intersections with cross-traffic, it's essential to be vigilant and cautious, ensuring it is safe to proceed. Question 4. What is the proper procedure for a driver when they approach a signal ahead sign and the light is red? A. Proceed through the intersection as quickly as possible. B. Stop before the intersection and wait for the green light. C. Continue at the same speed and expect the light to change. Answer. B. Stop before the intersection and wait for the green light. A red light means stop, and you must wait until it turns green to proceed safely. Question 5. You're driving on a 2-lane road and see the turning traffic must yield to pedestrian sign. What should you do if pedestrians are waiting to cross? A. Continue driving as pedestrians will wait. B. Yield to the pedestrians, stopping if necessary. C. Signal the pedestrians to hurry. Answer. B. Yield to the pedestrians, stopping if necessary. Drivers must yield right of way to pedestrians at crossings, especially where signs indicate this rule. Question 6. How should a driver handle a situation where the steep road sign is posted just before a sharp bend? A. Maintain a high speed to navigate the bend quickly. B. Use brakes heavily when turning. C. Reduce speed and steer steadily through the bend. Answer. C. Reduce speed and steer steadily through the bend. On steep roads, particularly before sharp bends, lowering speed and careful steering ensure safety. Question 7. What are the expected actions for a driver when a hospital sign is posted in a densely populated urban area? A. Keep speed high to navigate through quickly. B. Be alert, reduce speed, and prepare for frequent stops. C. Ignore the sign as it does not directly affect driving. Answer. B. Be alert, reduce speed, and prepare for frequent stops. In urban areas, hospitals can be busy with pedestrians and emergency vehicles, necessitating cautious driving. Question 8. What should a driver anticipate after passing a signal ahead sign in a rural area? A. That there will be minimal traffic and signals can be ignored. B. Increased wildlife activity near the road. C. Upcoming changes in traffic signals requiring attention and compliance. Answer. C. Upcoming changes in traffic signals requiring attention and compliance. Signal ahead signs indicate the need to be ready for traffic lights, regardless of the rural setting. Question 9. When driving through an area with a cross-traffic ahead sign, what additional precautions should you take during heavy fog? A. Use high beams to improve visibility. B. Proceed at normal speed as the sign is just a caution. C. Reduce speed. use fog lights, and proceed with extreme caution. Answer: C. Reduce speed, use fog lights, and proceed with extreme caution. In foggy conditions, visibility is reduced, making it crucial to be extra cautious at intersections with cross traffic. Question 10. You approach an intersection with a turning traffic must yield to pedestrians sign. Describe how to proceed if your light turns green but pedestrians are still in the crosswalk. A. Insist on your right-of-way since the light is green. B. Wait until the pedestrians have crossed safely before proceeding. C. Honk to alert the pedestrians to clear the intersection. Answer: B. Wait until the pedestrians have crossed safely before proceeding. Even if the light is green, safety and traffic laws require drivers to yield to pedestrians in the crosswalk. Question 11. What should a driver consider about their speed and following distance when descending a steep hill with a steep road sign posted? A. Increase speed to clear the hill quickly. B. Keep a standard following distance and speed. C. Reduce speed and increase the following distance. Answer: C. Reduce speed and increase the following distance. Descending steep hills requires careful speed management and increased following distances to allow for safe stopping. Question 12. If approaching a hospital zone as indicated by a hospital sign, what changes should you make regarding the use of your horn? A. Use the horn frequently to alert pedestrians and drivers. B. Avoid using the horn unless absolutely necessary. C. Increase the volume of your horn to ensure it is heard. Answer: B. Avoid using the horn unless absolutely necessary. Hospital zones often have noise restrictions to not disturb patients, making it important to limit horn use. Question 13. How might a driver's anticipation change when seeing a signal ahead sign followed by a curve in the road? A. Assume the signal will be visible after the curve and speed up. B. Prepare to adjust speed based on the signal's indication, which might be visible late due to the curve. C. Ignore the signal as the curve has higher priority. Answer: B. Prepare to adjust speed based on the signal's indication, which might be visible late due to the curve. Curves can obscure sight lines, so anticipation and preparedness to adjust speed are crucial. Question 14. During a night drive, you encounter a cross-traffic ahead sign with limited street lighting. What should be your strategy for ensuring safety? A. Continue at the same speed and rely on street lights. B. Increase speed to spend less time at the cross-section. C. Slow down, ensure all lights on your vehicle are functional, and proceed with caution. Answer: C. Slow down, ensure all lights on your vehicle are functional, and proceed with caution. Limited lighting increases the risk at intersections, requiring slow and cautious driving. Question 15. What considerations should a driver make when a turning traffic must yield to pedestrian sign is seen in an area with high pedestrian traffic, like a downtown shopping district? A. Ignore the sign as pedestrians are likely to wait. B. Drive slowly and be prepared to stop often. C. Wave pedestrians across to clear traffic faster. Answer: B. Drive slowly and be prepared to stop often. High pedestrian areas, especially with yield signs, require drivers to be vigilant and ready to stop frequently. Question 16. Describe the precautions that should be taken when driving near a school zone and encountering a hospital sign. A. Speed through quickly to avoid double congestion. B. Be extra cautious, expecting high pedestrian activity and emergency vehicles. C. Focus only on hospital-related signs and ignore school zone signs. Answer: B. Be extra cautious, expecting high pedestrian activity and emergency vehicles. Near hospitals and schools, drivers must be doubly vigilant due to the increased likelihood of encountering pedestrians and emergency situations. Question 17. If you see a steep road sign while towing a trailer, what should be your approach to managing your vehicle's speed and braking? A. Continue at the same speed to maintain momentum. B. Use engine braking and descend at a controlled slow speed. C. Stop at the top of the hill to detach the trailer. Answer: B. Use engine braking and descend at a controlled slow speed. When towing, managing descent speed is crucial to prevent loss of control. Question 18. How should a driver adjust their driving in response to a signal ahead sign when the road is wet? A. Ignore the sign as road conditions are more important. B. Proceed as usual since the sign has no direct impact on immediate driving. C. Anticipate stopping and start slowing down earlier to prevent skidding. Answer: C. Anticipate stopping and start slowing down earlier to prevent skidding. Wet roads require more distance to stop safely, especially at traffic signals. Question 19. What is the safest way to handle a situation where you are turning at an intersection with a cross-traffic ahead sign and visibility is partially blocked by parked vehicles? A. Quickly turn to minimize time in the intersection. B. Honk continuously as you approach and turn. C. Approach slowly, stopping if necessary, to check for oncoming traffic. Answer: C. Approach slowly, stopping if necessary, to check for oncoming traffic. Limited visibility requires careful, slow navigation to ensure crossing safely. Question 20. You are driving in a residential area and see a turning traffic must yield to pedestrians sign at a crosswalk with a flashing beacon. What is your obligation if pedestrians are present? A. Wait for the pedestrians to signal before proceeding. B. Yield and wait for pedestrians to cross completely. C. Notify them with your horn that you are coming. Answer: B. Yield and wait for pedestrians to cross completely. Drivers must always yield to pedestrians at marked crosswalks, ensuring their safe passage.